Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Forutech. This is our 10-year oldest device OnePlus One, from where the journey of our channel started. Later, the development by OnePlus stopped for this legendary device at Android version 5 Lollipop. But my OnePlus One currently running with the custom Android 11 software while Lineage was 21, which is working absolutely fine. This one is our channel's second most famous device, OnePlus 6. Its videos are still running on our channel, and we recently updated it to the Android 15 stable Darkfest OS custom software. OnePlus stopped its software updates after OxygenOS 11 4 years ago, but still we are supporting this device with the latest software upgrades. Next is this forgotten OnePlus device, which is OnePlus Nord 2, which has worst MediaTek hardware. But genuinely, we helped lots of users to unbreak this device, helped them to upgrade it till Android 15, which was dream for everyone. But we made this dream as a reality when OnePlus stopped the updates for this device after OxygenOS 13. And next is this another forgotten device, that is OnePlus 9RT. It's currently running on the OxygenOS 14, which was last major update provided by OnePlus, but soon we are going to upgrade it to the new latest Android 15 update via Genesis OS custom software. In the journey of these adventurous days, we got another member as a surprise gift from our family to grow our channel to the next level. All our current subscribers well knows us. We are not guys who do unboxing, reviewing hardwares and creating tech news blurbs. We are genuinely reviewing the stock softwares, unleashing the custom software and mods. We create some big guides to save your devices. That makes your device enough powerful to last long. This video is not about just unboxing, it's a message to all the new viewers and the users of this mysterious device which are going to unbox soon. So please watch this video till the end to check our message. Now without further ado, let's get started.
It's a new adventure. On a new adventure.
My cousin sent this mysterious device box as a gift for me. To increase my curiosity, he hid the name of the device on the box. Let's unleash the curiosity. Oh my god, it's a OnePlus 12R, my dream phone. This currently top mid-range segment device of the OnePlus until release of the OnePlus 13R. This is the 8GB RAM, 128GB storage variant with the cool blue color. Let's unbox it, how it looks in reality. On the top of the box, these are some leaflets, device information vouchers, OnePlus logo stickers, SIM injector tool, and with this classy silicone rubberized blue case. We are not interested in these all things, but you are interested in OnePlus 12R, and here it is, which is wrapped in the plastic paper. Box comes with the 100-watt charger, but I didn't like its charging cable. It's very hard as compared to the previous OnePlus phone's cables. Let's remove this plastic case of 12R. I am not going to tell you all the specification of this device because we all already seen that in all older unboxing videos. Device looks very classy and the premium with its edge-to-edge curved glass display. This device is known for its top-notch camera and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 power-packed performance. I got the major upgrade with this device in every segment after OnePlus 9RT, especially this infrared blaster that was missing in all OnePlus devices. Let's power on the device and we will check out its software because our journey with this device will start with its software. Out of the box, this device comes with the new refined OxygenOS 14. Its version is EX01307. OnePlus promised 3 major software upgrades till OxygenOS 17 and 4 years of security patches for this device. But don't worry, we are here to support this device even after OnePlus stopped the support for this device. We will continue to provide all the third-party software upgrade experience for this device. This device already got the OxygenOS 15, but when I checked its OTA after unboxing it, shown me this 6GB of Android 14 update EX01832, which is base software before upgrading to the OxygenOS 15. So I downloaded and installed the new software and waiting for the OxygenOS 15 update. From the next video, we are going to unleash the true potential of this device with the different mods, software reviews, features and many more. As per our channel's tagline, every new device is a new adventure. So if you are using this device or thinking to buy, please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel to enter into the adventurous journey of this device till the end of its life. Our channel will support this device throughout its journey. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the further notification of all related content of OnePlus Oxygen's features, OTA reviews, new root mod and many more. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.